And just like that, we're back, baby. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to the channel and welcome back to the vlog. Finally, the winter apocalypse of 2021 has descended on the beautiful state of Utah. You know what we're doing. We could take the T-Rex, we could take the Gladiator, but obviously we're taking the event store. Spin season, it's here. The Gladiator looks so cool, just caked in snow right there. And then check out these wind strips on the T-Rex. I know this is gonna sound kind of crazy. My Aventor is the best car that I own in the snow, so obviously that's what we're taking. We might be stuck already. No, it's the best car I own in the snow. Really? Oh, great. Come on, baby. Oh, how is this happening? That was not planned. Sorry about that. You just gotta cradle like a baby. We're getting 4-wheel spin right now. Oh! No snow in the face. Oh! Burlacker! Burlacker is here! Bro! Yes! Yes! We needed him! Our secret weapon!
I heard you needed a tow.
We need a push! We need your muscle!
You know, I'm going to work for a very, very important meeting, and I just had this feeling that someone needed help.
It's his intuition.
I don't know what.
I am so glad to see you. I would give Burlacker a hug, but he doesn't really like being hugged. Dude, this is good. This is good. I just want to say I appreciate and I support you guys. Let's go. Come on. Push. Push. Burlacker's not even trying right now. I thought you had muscle. What am I even paying for? He's got a meeting. He's a corporate director. Oh. Backwards. Backwards?
Yeah.
All right, 3, 2, 1, go. Yes, 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 yes. Push, boys, push. Come on, baby. Keep it coming, keep it coming. Yes, 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 yes. Woo. That's right, baby. That's right. I have to thank you guys doubted. I'd just like to thank each and every single one of you guys for your support, for your strength, for your perseverance, and your tenacity. Oh, sorry, Nick. I didn't know. I don't know if this is like the smartest idea. Luke, hey, cradle like a baby.
Stuck already. Let's see if I can get stuck.
We're 30 seconds in. We've had it stuck one time. Yeah, obviously I'm getting in the back of the Raptor because why wouldn't I? We've had some dumb ideas on the channel. This is top tier dumb on the channel. Luke is driving the Aventor. We're gonna try to get some nice cinematic shots. Obviously Luke should be getting the cinematography, but workers' comp doesn't cover him, so I gotta do it. I don't know what you call this pole, but I'm just gonna straddle this baby so that we don't die. Also, shout out to the engineers that think we're idiots. What's up, guys? Good morning. Come on, Luke, send her! Send her, son! Oh, jeez! Oh, no! Oh, jeez! I feel so bad for this car right now. We're like sandpapering my front splitter, but you only live once. Am I wrong? Oh yeah, there's a reason you want. Thanks, Luke. My guy, not in the job description, getting the windshield wipers for me. Why is this so much fun? Unsurprisingly, we're the only Lamborghini on the road today. I really should come with 2 hands. Could you get the other hand of the steering wheel, Luke? Got you. Thank you. Appreciate. Oh, jeez, brakes, 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 brakes. Those are on me. As we almost hit the Malibu. Oh, jeez. Oh, oh. Life choices, am I right? Yes. Maybe leaving the door open wasn't the best idea, but you only got one life. You might as well do it the right way. To everybody typing, complaining in the comments below, she's a car.
The car's fine, but your camera, you keep killing your cameras.
Yeah, we might have lost the camera, boys. So off camera, the police just showed up. life choices, am I right? So we were asked to politely leave. No tickets were issued, so we're good. We just have to go home. We don't really have the best option. We just kind of sort of got to send her right through. Oh jeez. We did not hit a T-Rex. I feel so bad. But at the same time, this is what this was meant to do, right?
No.
Absolutely,
No.
absolutely. You always say absolutely. The one time he doesn't say absolutely. Come on, Luke Terry. Well, boys, we've had some proud moments on the channel, but this right here, this is a job well done. This Aventador coupe, it has been my workhorse for so many years. We put winter tracks on it last winter. We skied behind it. We obviously did a little bit of snow plowing today. This car is so sick. I love this car so much. And on that bombshell, today's video has been sponsored by Extra. So this right here, guys, is the Extra debit card. This is the world's first debit card that can also build credit. Now, I know credit is kind of sort of boring, kind of sort of intimidating, but it's also really important. When I first started my YouTube channel, I wanted to buy my dream Lamborghini Gallardo. I didn't have that much cash, and so I had to finance it through the roof. And the only reason the bank approved my loan was because I had a great credit score. If you're looking to buy a house someday, or a cool new car, or even rent an apartment, you're gonna have to have a great credit score. Well, Extra is here to help. So here's how Extra works. It's super simple. When you sign up for Extra, you connect the Extra card to your bank account, and you're given a spending limit based off your bank account balance with no credit check. Then you go to Texas Roadhouse, you go to McDonald's, you swipe the Extra card, Extra spots you for that purchase, and then automatically pays themselves back the next business day. At the end of the month, all your transactions are tallied up, and Extra actually reports them as credit-worthy payments. And unlike credit cards, there is no interest fees with the Extra debit card. Guys, check out that link below. Start building your credit today and start building toward the future. The world's first debit card that helps you build credit. That's right, a debit card. Check out that link below. So I currently have 15 cars, but as of earlier this week, we have a 16th car because one of our mutual friends is an idiot, an absolute idiot, and he pawned it off, his piece of junk, his problem child, he pawned it off to me, and he dubbed it as a Christmas present, so I had to feel obligated to take it. It's in the warehouse. I'm not excited about it. We gotta deal with it. Why are you laughing? It's your evil laugh.
This is the
It's
best
so
car.
ugly. This is the worst gift I've ever received in my entire life.
It's the best.
Now is there's just something about laying eyes on this thing. I just feel nauseous inside.
I already feel gross.
Why? We gotta deal with this as fast as we can. If this thing doesn't start its first time, come on, baby. Okay, that's a V8. Okay, maybe this isn't the worst gift. Today's been a weird day. We started off the morning in a Lamborghini Aventador. We got stuck in my driveway. Then we proceeded to snowplow and do donuts. And then we swapped it out for a Buick Roadmaster. And yeah, a weird day in the life. I see the new car, and honestly, Luke, I blame you. I blame you for this because you've been friends with this idiot since middle school. You encouraged this idea.
I know, it's
now we gotta
amazing.
deal with it.
This is the best car you've ever.
No. We gotta get rid of this thing. Real? No, I don't want it.
Merry Christmas!
Get this out of here. I don't want anything to do with it. That's right, ladies and gentlemen. You probably saw Stefan's video. Santa Claus Stefan. He gave me his donk. I now own his donk, his 1992 Buick Roadmaster, bro. Okay.
That's pretty good.
Workers' comp does not cover you punching the car, bro.
No.
Bro, what do we do with this ugly piece of junk? Ironically enough, owning a donk has been a childhood dream of mine, and somehow I convinced Stefan to live vicariously through my childhood dream, and he actually bought the donk, and now we're getting the old switcheroo, and now I'm stuck with it. I know you guys don't care about the donk. I don't care about the donk. I gotta get rid of the donk, and that's where you guys come in. I need the best idea ever. How do we get rid of this thing? I'm talking like mass destruction. Do we put a brick on the gas pedal and just send her off a cliff? I think we might. The one thing I will say about Mrs. Donk, old reliable. Also, there's a donut patch. A world's first donut in the donk. Let's go. Oh, that's dope. That's dope! No way, she see that? She's kicking hard!
This is the slowest donut ever.
It's your best donut we've ever done. Okay, we don't know when you're stuck. Give her the full juice, bro. Let's see this thing spin. Dude, she's spinning! She's spinning! This is such a bad. Oh, she's slipping. Ooh, this is alligator skin. This is real. Out of this. Bro! Do you hear the echo? That's dope! Okay, yep, spin class is in session. We gotta get rid of this donk ASAP because otherwise we're gonna kill ourselves. I need a good idea though, so in the comments below, how do we get rid of it? We could light it on fire, we could just dump it on some train tracks. Obviously we wouldn't do that unless we knew who the train conductor was, but if you have any good ideas on how to destroy this donk, let me know. Like I said, it's a menace to society. This thing is dangerous on the road. I just want to point out that Stefan left all of his trash in this donk. It's like he's been living in here for 3 months.
Look what we got. Heck
Bro, shut that off. We're gonna go to jail driving this thing. He left his Diet Coke cans, and I think I smell a hot dog. Now, the term donk originates from a 1970s Impala or Caprice, so this is not a true donk. It's not an actual donk. So, Donk Nation, I realize you might be upset or triggered. We love you, we support you. This car evokes the enthusiasm that is a donk. So, deep down, it wants to be a donk, but it's not a donk. I love the donk. You guys love the donk. Everybody loves the donk. What I don't want about the donk is the responsibility of the donk, and that's really what's most vital to the donk's future and happiness. And so we have an idea on how to get rid of the donk. We need to weigh it. I'm pretty sure this is the first time they've ever weighed a donk at the Maverick weigh station. Why is this so funny? How does this work? It's a little bit difficult to see, but the donk is currently sitting on a weight scale right now, so we gotta go inside the gas station and they'll tell us what she weighs. Boom. Girth Nation, we're back. I don't think it'll go this easily, but just in case someone wants to steal the donk, the keys are inside. The thing I love about the donk, it just commands like a level of respect. Everybody's so excited to see it, and they want to see who's driving it. Their curiosity, it's just that respect. Well, we're not the only ones heavy set in the family right now. 4,480 pounds.
Dang.
And I'd say half that weight is in the wheels. Now, the real question, we got to lift her into the sky. Will we be able to lift that? I think so. As much fun as it is to drive the donk, I think it's safe to say this is the last time you'll ever see the donk in motion, at least in a horizontal way. The next time you see it, it might be at terminal velocity. Wait, what? I was gonna buy you a brand new GT3, but I think a 92 Buick Roadmaster.
You know what? Anything from you means a ton, right? But I don't want it.
Ah, we sent her well. We sent her really well. Look at all that snow on the car. You know what? She wears it well. I just want to point out it's 9 a.m. on a Tuesday. Burlacker is a corporate director, a managing director. He was on his way to the office, but instead, he's gonna join us for a spin class. He's a good all-around guy. I like that guy, Burlacker. There's a link to his channel.